Today we're looking at the Andersen lines. One of the focal points of the Andersen line is their 400 series. Specifically right now we are looking at the 400 series casements. This is a part of Andersen's wood interior lines. So what's awesome about this window is it's very customizable. It actually came out originally in the 1960s and they've made continuous improvements over the years. A lot of those same features remain because if something's not broke, don't fix it. So one of the best things about this window is that PermaShield exterior wrap. The entire exterior of this window is clad in PermaShield. Basically picture a liquid vinyl that's shrink wrapped over the frame to create a continuous seal. No water is ever going to get inside of that. That is completely waterproof, rot proof, and very, very low maintenance. The interior of the 400 series can come in white, black, and dark bronze, while the exterior can come in black, white, sandtone, terratone, and canvas. So it has many options for many different homes and many different styles.